څونه اریټیټینګ خلک دي دلته لږ لږ. تاسې ورکېږئ ولې نه؟ ورکې چې دي غاړه کې مې چین دی، نور چی دي؟ افغانستان هغه یې پاکستان. نو پاکستانه نه یم افغان. څنګه یې جلۍ؟ ټول زما مخ پسې داسې پریشانه دي. زه دونه پریشانه نه یم، خلک ډېر پریشانه دي. It's just a pimples, man. What's wrong with it? If I'm not having any problem with them, why you all so worried about it? زه ډېره نظره کېږم. زما مور هر وخت ما نظر وچوي. ما سره واده نو، زه واده نه کوم. واده سردردي ده. Thank you. Yawn. Hi, Bahar. Thank you, Imran. Not interested, Shoaib? No. Why everybody's asking sir that kar raha hai? Why? मैंने ऐसे हाथ रखा हुआ इसलिए? Not at all. It's Pashto first. Okay. Tell yours that I really... Everybody loves her, so I cannot tell her, this person loves you, this person loves you. Dera yakhnida. همدې پاره موږ سویټ شرټس، جاکټس هره ورځ اندو. Thank you, girl. اردو کم زینه ایسا. هندوستان کې مې هلته مې ژوند تېر کړی دی، ډېر وخت مې تېر کړی ماشه. هغې ځینه مې زده کړې. لږ ورځونه ګرم دی دلته، بټ بیا زما ډېر یخ کېږي. دا ځای ډېر یخ دی. میلاد امین. Sorry guys, it was some urgent call. Afizia zange jakka. No, not in Pakistan, guys. Turkey. I love Turkish serials. It's really, really nice. And Turkish people as well, the girls and boys. Oh my god, they are so beautiful. Hi Milad. I have already said your name once. It's true, girl. What an A means on your necklace? It's something special. My nails? It's just an extensions. Yeah, it's so nice, Turkey. It's pimple. It comes and go. It's okay. It's Assalamu alaikum assalam. Edinburgh, which place is that? I don't know, and I have no idea when I will come. Do you have a boyfriend? No. क्या आपका or girl? It's okay. It's in Scotland. No, I cannot. I just hate doing travel. Like it's so difficult. It takes hours to reach somewhere, like 4 or 5 hours to reach somewhere. So I cannot sit in the car or in the train or in the airplane. It's so boring. Follow me. I don't follow people. Sorry. Where do you live? Where do you live? Why don't you get lost, AK Afghan? Stupid boy. I'm not having any headache. Please shut. Ram Ram ji. Namaste ji. Tapakam Hevat kiye. Why you not sleep? Because I don't, if I go to sleep, then I'll not feel good. So that's why I'm not going to sleep. Stupid boy. I mean, you're so lazy to travel. Yes. Hi everybody. Thank you. As you are, Rizwan. No reply. For what should I reply you? Where do you live now? In England. Yes, I can speak Urdu as well. I'm not applying any lipstick now, but I have lots of. Back home? I have two back homes. But my real one is India. Mom, dad from Afghan. Hi, Adnan. No, I can't speak Dari. And I don't even want to speak Dari because it sounds really boring. कहाँ से हो आप? I'm not really a smoker. I got headache. Why don't you get lost? Hi, beautiful. Hi. I Stanu said, hi, you're so pretty without makeup. Thank you, Zahra Khan. So sweet of you. Come to gang shit place if what, then I'll tell you. Why don't you get lost? Why are you hanging on my life? Nobody's even replying you. Thank you, Masuma. Kirill, what's your... Sophia. It's just alphabets, not name. It's N-A. My best. Where is your beautiful sister? She's in her room. څنګه یې پیشوخه ماته څنګه You're cute. Where are you from? And love एक पर लिखल दे. Oh. Oops. Thank you. King of my queen. Who is that? Na London na name. Altazam Razam. I have lots of cousins there. Thank you. Oh guys, I'm so hungry. Now let's go and have something. Because I'm starving so badly. Oh. See what I got here. Some cranberries. So first I will have this, then I will go to kitchen. No, I don't like pizza. Okay, let's go downstairs. Let's go to kitchen. तुझ में नशा है बिल्कुल अफीम है Okay, मैं नीचे जा रही हूँ. Oops. Oh, what's wrong with this camera? अब मैं नीचे आ गई किचन में अपनी. कुछ खाते हैं. कुछ पकाना तो है नहीं मुझे. ओके, देखो हमने बनाई थी वेज बिरयानी. क्या मैं ये खाऊं? Okay. I want some curd, some yogurt. Oh, where is yogurt? Guys, sorry I cannot reply your messages. Because I'm preparing food for me. I want some juice. Oops. one orange juice. मुझे में नशा है मैं बिल्कुल अपनी है. Go and get something for you if you are hungry, cause मैं भी बहुत ज़्यादा lazy feel कर रही थी, पर आखिर में मुझे उठना पड़ा क्योंकि मुझे बहुत भूख लग रही थी, बहुत भूख लग रही थी. देर हो गई चलो. Where is my spoon? Okay. 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 Okay, guys. It's nice. Why do you live in? I'm gonna eat them all. I'm gonna eat them. I'm gonna eat them. I'm gonna eat them. I'm gonna eat them all. Okay. So let's start now. Big bite. Man. Anybody wants to eat, they can go to their kitchen and they can make whatever they want and eat. Food is so nice.